guys, so today we'll be trying the TikTok tortilla hack, and I got my pan hot, so let's get started. We're gonna start with some ground meat. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let our meat brown. So we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt, not so much, some pepper, and then we're gonna add the taco seasoning once the meat brown. We don't need to add too much because that taco seasoning is already going to be flavorful. So the chopped meat, which is ground turkey that I'm using, is cooked up. We went ahead and added our taco seasoning. And I'm going to give that a quick little stir. Alright. And I'm going to let that sit for a quick second, and it's almost done. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is everything that I have laid out already. So we're going to go ahead and start with adding our, I don't know. Let's start adding everything. So we're going to start with our lettuce, some tomatoes. Alright. Let's add some tortilla chips. Oh, we don't do this. Add a little bit of this. Then we're going to add our meat. A little bit more cheese. So just take a little bit. Add some meat. Then we're going to add some shredded cheese. A little bit of meat. Some shredded cheese. That's not right. Alright, just add it. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and try to wrap it. Oh, nice. Let's add our cheese on top of this. Whoops! I think that's enough cheese, y'all. Be very careful. And the last part. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and put it in the pan. Alright, so the pan is heated. Awesome. Love it. Have a little bit of cheese up there, but that's okay. Alright, let that sit for about a minute. We'll be back. So we went ahead and flipped it over. That feels about good enough for me. Then, next time you'll see me, I'll be taking a bite. Alright, let's see. Should I cut it? I'm working with one hand only. Alright, there we go. That's what it's looking like. Wanna try? She's supposed to be asleep. Here we are. Now let's taste it. Alright, y'all. Now I'm dipping in some sauce though. I should have brought a napkin. If you like this hack, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. We'll be doing more hacks, and if you got any ideas, leave it down in the comments below. This is good, y'all. See y'all soon.